in the air! Are you ready to lose your mind? Are you ready? Here we go! Walk on a backward wall. Don't get so excited and get wrong. Don't think I feel this wrong. Come back down. Hold on to so much pain. Give me a will support. Every obstacle that I have inside. Release the feeling. Hear me now. What's about? So fucking regret. Goddamn way, I will be different. Now, get to the fighting me. My little big of a goddamn pressure. Fuck it today. Fuck it all. All my life, I've been down to the law. Nothing's anybody. I'm away from. Always go. All of the acceptable. Not trying to say. It's all my dream. I'm not a single plan. Not for myself is not. We'll do what? Hear me now. What's about? No fucking regret. Fucking change. No goddamn way. We will be different. Now, get to the fighting me. My little finger ring. Fuck that pressure. Today, it is time for everyone in here to head back like it was 1986. Friends in the circle pit, this is for you. Open up that door. Show me what you're made of. Go. Whoa, don't you get too late. Voice so true, it's not calling. Just get to walk back. My true heart, it's on fire. That door is my wall. Sun will shine. No fucking way! Alright! Who's next? Let me see your fist in the air! Clapping along to the drums of Dave McClain! Let's go! Everybody! All the way in the back, let me see you! From our album, The Blackened! This is beautiful! Morning!